In number 32, this is our last equation and our last problem in the chapter review. We get the square root of 4x is equal to x minus 8. Notice in this problem we're going to have to square both sides in order to get rid of that radical. Square the left and square the right. On the left, the square undoes the square root and we just get 4x. On the other side, we get x minus 8 squared, which remember is a binomial squared, which we can do by using FOIL or double distribution. What we really have on this side is x minus 8 times x minus 8. Don't forget to do all 4 multiplications. First terms, outside terms, inside terms, and last terms. What we're going to get here is x squared minus 16x plus 64. In order to solve a quadratic like this, we're going to move all the terms to one side. So we'll subtract 4x from both sides. 0 equals x squared minus 20x plus 64. Now, if you can't factor, you can always use quadratic formula. In this case, we're trying to find factors of 64 that add to negative 20. Those factors would be x minus 4 and x minus 16. If you set each one of those factors equal to 0, you'll get x equals positive 4 and positive 16. Now remember, we have to check both solutions and make sure that neither one is extraneous. In order to check them, plug them back into the original equation. In the first case, we get 4 times 4 equals 4 minus 8. Square root of 4 times 4, the square root of 16 is 4, while 4 minus 8 is negative 4. Clearly, this solution does not work. It is extraneous. Let's try 16. The square root of 4 times 16 equals 16 minus 8. The square root of 64 equals 8. 8 equals 8. And this one checks just fine. Therefore, our solution is x equals 16. Remember, if you wanted to check this on your calculator, you could always put the left side of your equation in y1 and the right side in y2 and find where they intersect by doing second trace number 5. And then, of course, enter, enter, enter will find the point of intersection. And in this case, you should get 16 as your x value.